The students at the Lot Carey Mission School and the Brewersville community will benefit from this tractor for years to come.
Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me, Lord, forevermore. Touch my heart, Lord, fill me with your love, fill me till my cup overflows. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me, Lord, forevermore, forevermore. Guide me, O thou great Jehovah, pilgrim through this barren land. I am weak, but thou art mighty. Hold me with thy powerful hand. Open out the crystal fountain where the healing stream does flow. Let the precious blood of Jesus heal my body and my soul. Bread of heaven, bread of heaven, feed me till I want no more. When I come to the verge of Jordan, cast my anxious fears aside. Bring me through the swelling currents, lead me safe to the other side. Oh, songs of praises, songs of praise.